Wait, sorry.
Hi everyone, Freddie here, and today I'm giving Rosie, the FF Chef, the 4-box challenge. She's receiving all 4 of this month's arrangements. Rosie is really talented at putting things together in the kitchen and surprising us with her delicious culinary combinations, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what she does with her box of floral ingredients.
Challenge accepted, Freddie. Tip number 1. I'm a foodie, so I love collecting all sorts of little bottles and jars to use as vases, which I find are perfect for snipping off parts of the arrangement and popping them in just like that. Tip 2. I love dried flowers, and look how cool these look. Tip 3. I love personal little details, so I'll take the string from my box and any spare clippings to make place settings. All done, Freddie, over to you.
Chef Rosie, you nailed it. Look out for all of the 4-box challenge films from Team Freddie to collect as many different style ideas as you can. And do show us what you come up with. I can't wait to see what inspirational style ideas you have too.